pushing on my buttons, gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick it. Run the track. Gas me up, give me motivation. The way we move, skin on the skin. No separation, need no conversation. Nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic going 0 to 100. Nah, nah. Right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking you too long. Right before I decide to go. I like you hurt me. Only sum it up if you deserve me.
Hey my baby dolls, as you guys can see, I am ready to give you guys another hair video. This is going to be a beautiful, quick and easy install. This hair is from QVR. Queen version Remy hair, you guys, and as always I like to show you guys everything I received in my packaging. I do appreciate the great quality packaging. This is the unit right out of the box. I did receive a wig cap. I received a headband to style the wig with, and of course a thank you card from the brand. And this is what the hair looks like right out of the box, you guys. It's very pretty right out. I love the highlights, and this is what the V part looks like. It comes with combs all around the V part. It does come with a comb on the side of the unit, and you do get your adjustable band, which is very stretchy, and you can adjust it to as well for your liking. In the back it comes with a comb, and it also comes with a elastic drawstring, which is going to give you double security, which I am going to talk to you guys more about in the video. The texture I have is kinky curly, and I just love how the highlights look in the unit. You can style this in different ways, so if you do want your part to be on the side, you can just literally just slide the unit over and just have it where you want it to be. So I did want to show you guys how it looks on the side. It looks very, very, very cute. I was really loving the side, but I did end up switching it out to the middle. So it's really quick and easy to do it. If you guys are wondering, what if I want a side part, literally just switch the unit over. Now, one thing I do like about this V part is that it has a invisible lace, so you guys see that edge is very thin and it's not like thick. It gives more of a natural, realistic look, so that way nothing is bulky or budging. As far as the combs go, it's very easy and comfortable to fit. All you have to do is literally just put your hair through the comb, and then I like to just press it down. When you know it's locked in, that's when you hear that snapping noise. That's when you know the clips are definitely locked in. I did take out just a thin amount of hair, just a little bit. This is for you to wear in different ways. You don't have to do leave out with this hair, especially with this being the invisible lace. But since I did take out a little bit of hair, I did use a little bit of mousse on the top so everything can mold and just mesh together. And then I end up using a little bit of mousse throughout the hair and water. I felt like when I used some water and mousse, it made the hair even more softer. So I will definitely recommend when you get this hair, just use a little bit of water, use a little bit of mousse, and brush it through. I didn't have a problem with shedding or anything like that. It was definitely soft to touch. I do think the mousse and water made the hair even more softer, and it brought out the texture even more. So it made it more fluffier, it made it more softer. So I'll definitely suggest doing this. I wanted you guys to actually see the difference on both sides. So here, no product, and then on this side we have product. So I do suggest using a little bit of product. It just makes the hair even look more natural. The texture just comes out completely better. So yes, this is how it looks all around. I love how the outcome ends up looking like. This hair is comfortable. I do want to show you guys the back where the elastic drawstring is. All you have to do is pull that string, and once you pull that string, you're gonna feel the wig basically kind of like draw in together. It's gonna tighten up a little bit, but not in an uncomfortable way at all. It literally is just locking down and give you that double security so that the wig doesn't slip and move. Okay, so I love that too as well. And get into the texture, y'all. Like, oh my god, I'm so happy that I end up using a little bit of mousse, You can take out your real hair on the side of the unit. I just want to give you guys a look of how it looks on the edges, okay? And then I did take out that headband piece just to show you guys that you can style this unit in variety of different ways. So you can use a headpiece. This was actually really cute. I love this style, y'all. Also, I do want to mention you can crochet the hair in the front. You can do a lot of things as far as whatever works for you. So you can do so much. I personally love how everything came out. I'm very happy with how it's turned out to be. Honestly, I am very shocked that it looks this good because I'm not really into V-part units. But honestly, this is my favorite one. As y'all can see, I'm very excited. I was very happy with it all. So this is definitely something I will be rocking a lot this summer because it is so carefree and easy. I don't have to worry about any lace. Because of the heat during this summer, this is going to be my girl. So yes, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know y'all thoughts. Leave your comments down below. The full details of this hair will be listed in my description box. And of course, until next time, I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.
Only step it up into the sun.